In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Airtable data to a PDF document using the Gallery view. If you want a clean, shareable snapshot of your records, the Gallery view is ideal because it lays out each record as a card with images and key fields. Open your Airtable base, go to the View dropdown in the top left, and switch to Gallery, or create a new Gallery view. Take a minute to fine-tune the card layout so the PDF shows exactly what matters. In the Card Customization panel, choose which fields appear, reorder them, and decide whether to show a cover image. Include photos, text, and any key fields your audience needs. Aim for consistency across cards, use concise field names, and hide anything you don't want to publish. The cleaner the cards, the better the PDF will look. Airtable doesn't include a direct PDF export, but the print option is a reliable workaround. Next to the view name, click the three dots for more options, then choose Print Gallery View. For a neat result, turn on Fit to Page in the print settings so cards scale nicely and don't spill across pages. If the preview looks cramped, go back to the card layout and hide non-essential fields or reduce image size. A quick preview and tweak loop here saves time later. When the System Print dialog appears, set destination to save as PDF. This option is built into Chrome, Edge, and Safari. Now dial in the basics to match your content. Choose Portrait if your cards are tall, or Landscape if wider cards fit more comfortably on a page. Pick a paper size your recipients expect, like letter or A4, so it prints predictably. Adjust the margins. Default works for most cases, but switching to narrow or none can maximize card space and reduce awkward breaks. Watch the preview as you change options to confirm everything lines up. Once you're happy with the layout, click Save. Give the file a clear name that reflects the view and date, and pick a folder you'll remember. Your PDF is ready to share, email, or archive. That's it. By curating your gallery view using Print Gallery View and saving with the right print settings, you can export polished PDFs from Airtable without any extra tools.